You want to display your product collections, spotlight particular items, or simply enhance the visual appeal of your Shopify page. The Content Collage in the Shine theme is your ideal solution. Let's jump in and see how you can make the most of this feature. First things first, let's add the Content Collage to your page. From any page in the Shine admin dashboard, simply click on the Add Section button. Then search for Content Collage and click on it to add this dynamic section to your page. Once you've added the Content Collage section, it's time to configure it to match your brand's aesthetic. Just click on the section to open its settings. In the Generals area, you can pick a color scheme. If you want to change or add a new color scheme, head over to Theme Settings and select Color. Shine Theme gives you the flexibility to customize the row height for different screen sizes. On a large screen, you can adjust the row height between 150 pixels and 400 pixels with a default setting of 300 pixels. For mobile screens, you can tweak the row height between 100 pixels and 350 pixels. Now, let's get into the specifics of configuring the item heading blocks within the Content Collage section. You can apply content for the heading, heading size, description, and button text. If you prefer to keep things minimal, simply leave the placeholder empty to hide the message. When it comes to buttons, you have three stylish options: filled, outlined, and text link. You can also paste a link or link directly to Shopify pages. For both large screens and mobile screens, you can select the position to display your content, including top left, top center, middle left, middle center, bottom left, and bottom center. You can customize the position of the item heading by modify the column and row settings to ensure optimal readability for each screen. By default, Shine Theme organizes the Content Collage into 4 columns and 3 rows as displayed on the screen. The values in the column represent the amount of width that an item occupies in a line. The item heading has a value of 4, causing it to occupy the entire width and stand alone on a line. When selecting column as 1, there are 3 empty sections. However, the featured videos column is set to 2. It aligns with the item heading, leaving a quarter of the space empty. If the next featured images column set to 1, it will also align with the item heading on the same line. Just like a column, I have the ability to change the featured video to the first column by selecting row as 3. The remaining sections will then have row equal to 1, indicating that they are on half-3 of the height of the video. To add some eye-catching videos, let's access Featured Video Block. For the heading and button in this block, you can apply the same settings as explained in the item heading block earlier. For videos, you can either paste a link from an external source or choose a video hosted on Shopify by selecting the one you like. Finally, you can add the perfect finishing touches by customizing the mask overlay and text overlay colors. Next, I will talk about the featured image block. The settings here are similar to the previous 2 blocks. However, in this block, you can choose different images for mobile and desktop. For example, I'll select this image for the large screen and this one for mobile. Please note that if you only set an image for the large screen, the mobile view will inherit that image. But if you set it just for mobile, the large screen won't inherit it. As for custom color, it works the same way as the custom color in the featured video block. And that's a wrap with the Content Collage section. You can create a visually stunning, fully customizable display that perfectly fits your brand. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. Thanks for watching.